Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get notes on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Hit enter and you simply need to update your Instagram application. Once you're done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and go into the option of account. Here you need to scroll down, then you simply need to click on switch account. So basically you need a business account or a creator account. So now I am in my creator account. Okay, then you need to go back and click on this messenger icon, and here you can see your note option is now showing and you can share your thoughts. So this is the process by which you can get notes option or note feature on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.